Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Maurice has been a client for a few years now. This is the second time we've upgraded the audio on his Street Glide. He started with a stage 3 high power and he's completely happy with it for a couple of years. But now it's time to go bigger and better. So it's always a pleasure doing work for Maurice because he's the type that drops it off. He says, you're the professional, do what you think is best. And so, of course, it came out awesome because he trusted us, went with our recommendation. He's completely happy with it. We're completely happy with it. We ended up sealing, porting the bags. We re-fiberglassed the whole close that we had for the 8 because the 10 is moved forward and then the port goes where the 8 was. We ended up doing Cicada CMB 10-inch carbon fiber mid-base drivers, sealed and ported. Reinforced stock bags and braced them. Then we went with a 3000.1 in the tour pack, 1200.4 in the fairing. We went with the NVS Audio 8-inch sealed back drivers in the lids. And we went with Cicada CH in the fairing. Braille lithium battery and HKI Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness. Bike sounds phenomenal. It's a really pretty bike, really good looking bike. It's got a ton of aftermarket parts on the bike. It's just well put together, and check out how it sounds.
Dipset, Lil Weezy, Cash Money. Yo, Ma, let me holler. Let's do it. Ma, I've been hugging the block. That's right. Hustling, rising, rock. I know, I've been puffing a lot.
When I was young, if I said to my mum I was going to go to a snooker hall, she'd probably kick me around the ears. Bad places, misspent youth, all those type of phrases. But the reality is, it's just ordinary blokes.
Killer, Jason Snowden. He going first. 10 on second, Jim on third. Yeah, I'm in back. I'm about to hit this shit out the road. Killer. Clap, clap. Say it. Killer. Clap. Say it. Clap. Say it. Say it. Say it. Clap. Say it. Killer, yo, with the goons I spy, stay in tune with mom. She like, damn, this the realest since Kumbaya. Kumbaya, killer can, my lord, still the man with the pen, Skrilla fan, on board. Damn bitches, they wanna do to me, niggas, they wanna do to me. The hooligan and hula hands, maneuverings nothing new to me. Doggy, I'm from the land of crime, pan, gram a dime, not toes or MC. When I say hammer time, beef I hammer mine. When I get my hands on nines, if I had on Beyma line, corduroys, camera shine, canary bird.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land just slowly, eyes are looking up. Suddenly the sky erupts, flames alight the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're right upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love? When I dream of dying, I never feel so low. I've been having sipping at fun. I've been having dreams.
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speedboats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out.
There he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, roaming my bed with his fingers, singing my life with his words.